neutral. I put it in neutral. Yeah, about to get this big jump washed down because I ain't doing it. What's up, man? You been all right?
How you been?
Man, I been pretty good. I had my free car wash jump, but I don't know what the hell I did with it.
I don't know what you did with it.
Yeah, I need probably got a lot of brake dust on this jump.
So our cheapest membership is $25 a month. With a membership, you can wash your car 100 times a day. A nice car like this, I think you might want to do something like that.
Yeah, I already got this.
Hey, it's just a menu.
Yeah.
Top membership is $38 a month. With the graphene coating, it enhances your paint.
I just need a simple little wash on it.
Okay.
How much that is?
Stingray, the Diamond Ray started at 24 for a single. Has a graphene coating, tire shine, everything. And you go down to Armor Ray, it's 18 for a single. Has ceramic coating, tire shine, bug spray, whole 9 yards.
Yeah, let me do that.
Armor Ray.
Yeah.
You doing a YouTube channel or something?
Yeah, I got a YouTube channel. I gave you my YouTube channel last time I was here.
For real?
Yep.
Might have been my brother.
Y'all twins.
Yeah.
Okay. What, sticking in there?
You can tap it. What all you be doing on that jump? Like
like car shows.
Oh, okay.
Shop tours. Where I go around to the local shops where you get cars built and different stuff like that.
I do it. So I'm in the cars a little bit myself too.
We might need to get together and do some content.
Ain't out here, but it will be soon though.
Alright.
We got a food truck out here later too. You be reviewing food.
Yeah, I will, you know.
Wagon Wheel Barbecue gonna be here around 12.
I saw one yesterday when I passed
here.
here.
Do that.
That's pretty cool.
Customers and stuff.
That's what's up, bro.
We'll be up here later on. Pull up on us.
I bet.
Hit you with some tire shine when you get done too.
I bet.
So.
Alright. Light at the right temperature, man. I ain't gonna lie, that light at the right temperature. You need to think of record with light at the ounce. Record with the light at the ounce. Record with no light at the better. Low light. Pulling. I'm on brakes like a motherfucker. Like, I'm not taking my foot off the brake. Know how to put this in drive, though. I bet you that. This was too fun. This was too fun. I said, how you put this motherfucker steady, that machine steady pulling this. I'm like, no, sir. Woo. It was too fun. You did good though. That M stand for mother.